Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an engine air filter. First, make sure your vehicle is off and parked safely. You'll need a new air filter and possibly a screwdriver, depending on your car's model. The air filter housing is usually a large black box, often on the passenger side of the engine bay. It's a straightforward task that can improve your engine's performance and fuel efficiency. Now, let's open the air filter housing. Most housings have metal clips or a few screws that hold the cover in place. Gently unclip or unscrew these fasteners. Once they are loose, carefully lift the top half of the housing. You'll see the old, often dirty, air filter inside. Take a moment to observe how it sits in the housing. This will help when installing the new one. With the housing open, carefully lift out the old air filter. You might notice it's quite dirty, which is normal. Before putting in the new filter, quickly wipe out any leaves or debris from inside the airbox with a clean cloth. Now, take your new filter and place it into the housing, ensuring it sits snugly and correctly, just like the old one did. Make sure the rubber seal is properly seated. Finally, it's time to close everything up. Carefully lower the air filter housing cover back into place, making sure it aligns properly. Reattach all the clips or screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are secure. A new engine air filter helps your car breathe better, leading to improved acceleration and potentially better gas mileage. It's a simple maintenance step with noticeable benefits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.